Okay, so you want a free lead generating YouTube video for your best biz offer. This is what you do. I'm going to give you to a team leader. It could be Orlando, it could be Dan, it could be Laura, it could be Bill. And I have placed your name in a post here. An example would be this name here, but your name is going to be here. So this is what you need to do to request your video. I want you, here's an example. I want you to click on your team leader's name. I want you to then open up a message, and message them, giving them your best money-making opportunity referral link. And then what I'm going to do is when that team leader gives me your best referral link, I'm then going to produce a video for you. It's going to take about 24 to 48 hours. Please do not do a post in the comment. Please do not do a post back here. You must request it directly from the team leader that I give to you to work with. Then when I get that information from the team leader, I'm going to produce a video for you. Then I'm going to post that video here. I'm trying to find the example. Here's an example here. Here in this Facebook group, and then I'm going to then post it throughout all my other Facebook groups related to whatever topic the video is. In this case here, it's mountain bikes. I'm then going to rank your video with your competition. In other words, if you type in mountain bikes, so let's do that here. Let me pause this video. So I typed in adult mountain bikes, and this video is ranked number 3, and I'm going to rank your video the same way that I ranked this video here. Of course, anything dealing with cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, if you are involved with that type of money-making opportunity, I can rank those with your competition. An example would be Econ Crypto video right here, ranked number 2. So you've got the idea, but you must give your best money-making opportunity, the referral link, to the team leader that I assign to you by messaging them and posting the name of that opportunity you're working, and I need, of course, the URL. Okay, you know what to do. I'll be ready to produce your video when you give your best money-making opportunity to one of the team leaders here.